Petr Hindrich. I came 10 years ago to Indonesia, and about 5 years ago we established non-profit organization greenbooks.org. The mission is to provide environmental education for Indonesian kids because there's no environmental education in schools. We started to develop games and activities about sustainable lifestyle, about waste management, about plastic pollution, about bird watching, guideline for bird watching. Also we have a game about endangered species and about biodiversity. This is activity about worm composting. Also we have activities about upcycling and how we motivate the kids and the local communities to implement the games and activities. We provide them incentives. We provide them motivational rewards. So some of them are books about environment for kids. Newly we also have this Tassini keychain product, which is also to do with the marine pollution topics. Inside is a shopping bag. This bag made of 2 plastic bags, recycled plastic bags. Plastic bottles. Also, we have binoculars as a reward that has to do with bird watching activities. We also provide water filters. We provide worm composting systems, and we invite the most active local coordinators to Bali for Green Educators course. So our long-term goal is to educate the educators. One of the rewards that we provide to the local communities is this water filter. It's a great tool how to make the kids aware about not buying single-use drinking bottles. We try to promote sustainable lifestyle. The guests who visit our base, they also get a water bottle. And for shopping, we have tons of reusable boxes for shopping or takeaway food. So we try to motivate our guests not to use single-use plastic. Another sustainable feature that we have in our base, it's this laundry system. We use soap nut, which is organic detergent, so we don't use any chemicals to do laundry. In our base, we also use a recycling system. We also gather the organic waste for composting. So we have worm composting system. Beautiful fertilizer made of waste. So part of our base is also this garden, 600 square meters garden, where we practice organic gardening, and our goal is to produce food for the kitchen. Enjoy your life sustainably.